I'm out here with the Simrex X500. Now, I flew this morning, and boy, what a disaster. Okay, so I am not going to use the camera right now. We just want to see if we can get it to fly. Because this morning it would not fly. All it would do is take off and hover, and then go way up in the air and sit there and hover. That's all it would do. Okay, so we did the level calibration already, which is down and out. And here's the speed button over here, and here is the rates on this side here. I'm not sure if there's a takeoff or... Okay, you just go in on the sticks. There might be a takeoff. There might be a takeoff button on the app, but it would sit here and hover. This morning, just like this, and that's when I made that little short video of how great it hovered. And then once I tried to fly it, it would do nothing. Okay. Okay, it's got two rates. It would not steer at all. Like what it's doing right here, it would not do any of that. I think it was the Wi-Fi acting all crazy. I think the Wi-Fi was affecting it. The only bad thing is, of course, you know, there's no video. Now, it would go up here like this. This is what it did this morning. It went up here about like that right there. And then it would just stay there. And I didn't, like I said in this other video, I didn't even know how to get it down. I was gonna fly another drone up there to run into it and knock it down. So the thing actually does fly. It's the Wi-Fi that was making it act all nutty. Okay. But it's very slow. That's the problem. It's only got these two rates, but at least it does fly. So now that we know that it flies, the flips work good. Yeah, it didn't do any of this morning. But, you know, if the Wi-Fi is not working, then you're not going to be able to use any of the features from the app. That's the bad part. The good part is at least you can fly it, because you know, I mean, you know, I know, and everybody else in the world knows, this video is going to look like crap. Okay, it's not some big secret, right? We all know what the story is with the video on these toys. Yeah, it flies great. Flies fantastically. Now, okay, so there it is, flying great, right? Okay, let me land it. Okay, let me turn the Wi-Fi on. Let me do another level calibration. Let's start it back up here. Whoa, now did you see that just take, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, please land. Okay, so you see that, right? Did you see that just happen? As soon as I took off, it just started running away. Well, it didn't do that this morning. That's the first time it did that. You know, what is going on with these Wi-Fi quads? I mean, I know they've always been bad, but not this bad. I mean, I got a couple of real lemons here in the last couple of tries. Let's take off again. Wow. Okay, so it's hovering there pretty steady. Let me start some video up again. Now, as soon as I did that, you see it started walking away. Let me stop the video again. Yeah, there's definitely an issue with this, with the Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll start the video up again. Boy, what a piece of work. Okay, so it's acting up. It's not flying, it's lagging like crazy. Well, maybe I should just go in the sewer. Okay. All right, so obviously there's a problem with this thing with Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's get that clear. Okay, so I'm gonna shut this off again, and we'll take off. Okay, so now it seems fine again. It's not running away or doing anything crazy like that. So the quadcopter flies fine with radio control. With Wi-Fi, forget about it. With the Wi-Fi on, it's garbage, completely. Very slow though, I don't like it. If this was faster, like that Holy Stone one I just had, that thing was phenomenal, okay? This would be a real winner, but it's got some kind of hairy Wi-Fi setup going on here, so I've had a few of them like that. So okay, so the battery's going dead, so we're going to go and land it. Okay, so there it is, the Simrex. Yeah, it's a piece of garbage. I mean, that's just what it is. Okay, really can't do a whole lot with it. So, you know, why would you want to buy it when you're gonna not be able to use the features? The Wi-Fi makes this thing go crazy, so I wouldn't waste my money. All right, guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.